Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.
Hey, hi everybody. Hi everybody. Welcome everybody on board. Always a delight as always. Thank you all for jumping to the live session. Thank you everybody. Let's give everybody else a few minutes and we get started with the live session. Let's go, people. Thank you all for making it. Thank you all for joining the live session also. It's going to be an exciting one. Good knowledge, great information for us to leverage and learn together. It's gonna be good. Let's give everybody else another 2 minutes and we get started. Let's get started. Thank everybody for making it. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all for making the live session. Let's invite everybody else and tell them we are live on the information session. Let's go. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all. Thank you all. We are live. We are live. A lot of people ask me questions on the live session, what we want to talk about in terms of the experiences. And I said, hey, let's connect here, then we can get you more information here. Thank you all. Let's give everybody else another few minutes and we get started. All right. Thank you, Luashem. I see you. Patal. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh man, you all are awesome. Uh, I like that. Somebody said, I hope we finish on the 17th and have a job on the 21st. To your yes and to God's yes, I pray so. Believe it, we are your biggest advocate. Oh boy, that's gonna be one great story. Absolutely, that's our goal. That's our prayer, really. If we could have our way, we want every one of our team to have a job in this field. Definitely, 100%. All right. Somebody said, I'm excited to be here. Thank you, Kay. Fatal, thank you, thank you. All right. Thank you, Fred. Thank you, Fred. Let's go. Tracy, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Let's just remind all the other folks that we are live now. Let them know we are live right now. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all. Somebody said he used AI to change his clothes. Okay. All right. That's a good one, really. Yeah. I love that. That is very, very super cool. Maybe that's a business idea out there. And for those of us that are, that are already here, we just wrapped up from a different program, our internship program. So we rolled to the information session. So my jacket was different. So my folks are saying I probably used AI to change. Well, it's just been a little bit crazily efficient. That's all. All right. Thank you, everybody. And one of the things I will challenge you all today is it's going to be one of those moments where we would have questions for sure. We would have areas we think we can definitely, you know, um, potentially get to know way more, and that's the goal for us. You're going to leave here at the minimum. I assure you, at least a little bit more knowledgeable about so many things, which is the goal for us. So I think that's going to be a very big one for us. So I think that's going to be a big one for us at the end of the day. So what are we going to get into today in a quick debrief? We're going to go into the details of what this program is all about. For those of us that already know our community, one thing we don't sugarcoat things here. We would be very transparent. It's a lot of hard work. Nothing we do is easy. Let's be honest. If you think you want to do something there's a silver bullet, I think that's just not being realistic. It's we are dedicated people. We work very hard. We have fun. We enjoy what we do, but we put the discipline. We put the work. So there's no shortcut to it really. And I like to make sure we, I say that to our community all the time. We are not mediocre here. We believe in excellence. We put work. So it's not one of those things you do and you just chill and relax and think it will just come to you. No, we are going for it. We are hungry. We're going to put all the work, all the discipline, all the effort. We thrive better when we work together. I'll tell you that. What does that mean? You hold me accountable to make sure I communicate and teach relevant things industry is looking for. And it's easy to benchmark that. Go to job sites and look at what they're asking for, right? So it will give you an indication of, okay, this guy is teaching me what's relevant or not. On my side, I would hold you accountable to make sure that you put the time and commitment, because for most of us, when you do a program like this, families involved. We are living our family time, our resources, and all that. So I would hold you accountable, right? And I know a way to do it easy. I can track my analytics at the back end if you are working, going through documents or not. And you will know within your heart if you didn't put your best to, right? So let's work together. Anytime we work together, I know good things always happen. Right? So, and that's all we can control. We put the work, put the discipline, put the grit. And at the end of the day, we just take our chance. A lot of people call me and say, "Do you guarantee?" I don't do that. We're not going to guarantee anything. But I know one thing: anytime we put our best in good faith, things always happen. That's the key word. Let's try together. And you must be open to accountability. Also, I challenge everybody on the call. Never do anything without feeling, well, it's my life. I don't need to get. No, 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 no. I think anytime we put a process of accountability of ourselves, if we commit to do things, it helps to sustain when those moments of discouragement come. And I'll talk about that in a bit so that you can understand the perspective. Yes, talking about teaching cyber GRs and all that, yeah, those are the small part. The most important part, honestly, is getting the mind right for anyone, any professional. If the mind is right, I challenge you, it's not rocket science. There's nothing I'll talk about today that is out of the blues, out of the world knowledge. It's not a big deal. That's just the reality, really. Personally, I've never been the smartest kid in anything, but I'm always one of the most persistent. So I challenge you. If you're like me, that you're not always the smartest. Some of us are so smart naturally. God bless you. We love you too. But for some of us that are not naturally so smart, but we are just very determined. We just keep trying, trying, trying. We make up mistakes, try, try, try. For those of us, we know ourselves and we just say, you know what, we'll keep trying. We just don't quit. That's the key. And at the end of the day, the universe will open for you when we do that. Okay. So welcome to the GRC class. This is a class that the opportunities are there. The potential is there. It's a leadership role. Let me tell you, I challenge you, and we're all leaders already. At home front, at personal gathering of your life. It's not rocket science. I always say it, and I mean it. You can make it sound cool and put some complexity and barrier in your mind. It's a waste of your time, in my opinion. It's not. I've seen some of the people that are not as bright as you and I do this and succeed. I've always been in leadership role in this field too, so I've led people and I know what I see. So people that are not as smart as you, they do it, they make a lot of fun money from doing it. So why not you? So I challenge you: have an open mind, be adaptive, and just have fun. Make it fun. Make sure you make it fun. All right.
Hi there, join our exclusive WhatsApp community to learn more about Cyber GRC.